Not all franchise territories need to be based on zip codes. Mango Map allows territories to be custom drawn to create territories of your liking. Territories can be drawn into any size and shape, but still be able to calculate the population within them. So, let's get started. First, take out the area you would like to draw up. In this video, I have chosen the city of Minneapolis. So let's take a look at our map. In our map legend, we can see that we have a layer of existing business locations, which we can turn on or off. We also have a layer called territory boundary, which shows the existing territories in orange. We also have a demographic layer with census block groups. If I click on one of these, I can see some information about that block group. For example, the total number of the people that live there and the idea of that block group. Now, if I'm interested in drawing up new territories on the east side of the river here, nesting up against these existing territories, all I need to do is click on one of these territories, which brings up the toolbar. I will then click Add New Feature, and now I can start drawing my new territory. I can modify it as I like. I can give it a name. So for example, I'll type in here Holland. I'll give it a status, so I'll say available. Once I'm done, I'll click Save. And there we have our new territory called Holland. Now, if I click on that territory, you will see that the demographic information is blank. So there's no population information here. So we'll have to calculate that. To do that, we'll use the proximity tool, which is in the right-hand corner. I will filter my search. So in the Find tab, I will choose Select Block Groups that are within the selected territory. The block groups are those small demographic areas. So once I've selected that, I'll click Get Results. So it has selected the 23 block groups that fall inside this territory. I want to generate a report that will show me the overall number of people that live there. So to do that, I will click Generate Report, and now it will calculate that for me. So we can see that 25,411 people live there. We'll take a note of this number because we'll use it again. So now I'm going to clear the tool by clicking the Reset button. Now, if we click on our new territory, we see that the population value is missing. So what we'll have to do is we'll go to Edit Attributes on the right here, and then we'll enter the number that we calculated just now. So that is 25,411, and I will click Save. Now, if I click on the territory, I'll see the population information is saved, and it's as simple as that. What I'm going to show you in this next example is how to create a territory that is based on a radius around a location. So we have blue pins that represent a layer of existing business locations. As I want to add a new location, I will click an existing location and I will click Add New Feature. Once I click that, I will type my new location in the top right-hand corner in the search bar. So 100 Bass Lake Road. I will click the option that appears, add the new marker there, and give it a name. So Bass Lake Road. And once I'm done, I'll click Save. And that's going to save the new pin. Now, if I wanted to draw a territory 3 miles around this location, what I'm going to do is go to my Sketch tool, which is in the bottom right corner in the tab called Sketches. Once I click Sketches, I will click Create Sketch, and I will give it a name. So Bass Lake 3 miles. Now I have some drawing tools, including a circle. So if I put the crosshairs over that location and drag out to 3 miles, like so, and I'll set my color and click Save. So there is a graphic of the territory boundary. Now what I'm going to do is calculate the population inside my 3 mile radius and store that with the location point. So you can see if I click on this point, there's no population information right now, but we can use our query tool again. So go to the query tool in the bottom right corner and select the circle and start to draw a 3 mile radius again. Once you're done, click Get Results. Click Generate the Report to find out the total population, which is 95,650. I'll note that number down again like before. And now we'll go back to the location pin. Click on that. Click Edit Attributes and enter in the population figure, which is 95,650. And once I'm done, I'll click Save. Now, if I click my pin again, I can see that the population figure, and if I click on Sketches, I can see the 3-mile radius around the location. And that's it for today. Thank you for your attention.